In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious pineapple casserole recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cans of pineapple chunks strained, 1/3 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of flour, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1 pack of Ritz crackers. We're going to start by crushing the crackers and placing them to the side for later. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the sugar and the pineapple juice and mix until a smooth mixture forms. To this mixture, we're going to add in our flour and mix until there are no clumps left. Add in half of the cheddar cheese and continue mixing. After that, we're going to add in our pineapple chunks and mix until evenly distributed. We're going to butter all the sides of a baking pan and we're going to pour in our mixture. Over our casserole, we're going to add the remaining cheese. We're going to melt our remaining butter in the microwave until it's completely melted. In a bowl, combine together the crushed crackers and the melted butter until the crackers are completely coated. We're going to sprinkle this mixture over top of our pineapple casserole. We're going to place our pineapple casserole in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Our pineapple casserole is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.